Hello kids, how are you? This is Nashra Arif, your favorite teacher. आज की क्लास में हम सीखेंगे अवर स्कूल रूल्स। हम सब स्कूल जाते हैं और हमें स्कूल में किस तरह से बिहेव करना चाहिए वो हम आज की क्लास में सीखेंगे। सो आर यू रेडी फॉर द क्लास? Okay, let's get started. Rule number 1. We always say please and thank you. Say please when you are asking for something. Say thank you when you are given something. Say excuse me when passing by someone. And say I am sorry when you have hurt someone. Rule number 2. We are always nice to other people. When you do good for somebody, something good will happen to you too. Doing good for somebody without expectation of any favor in return is kindness. Kindness is a humanitarian act that gives us a feeling of happiness and satisfaction. Rule number 3. Listen to your teacher carefully. A teacher is a great source of knowledge, prosperity and enlightenment by which anybody can be benefited. Teachers are the gift of God who makes our career and guides us towards success. Teachers makes their students academically strong and they always encourage their students to do better in their life. So, we should listen to everything the teacher says. Rule number 4. We try to help keep our classroom clean. To keep our classroom neat and clean, all the students must take care. No one should litter the room. Use the bin to throw uneaten tiffin, food and wrappers. If sharpening pencils, make sure to put the chipped parts in the bin. If somebody drops waste paper by mistake, you pick it up and put it in the bin. Keep your books neatly in the desk. Take care of your own books so that they look neat. Rule number 5. We study and play safely. Studying is important because it is essential for a person to develop a complete education. You should develop study habits, time management skills and self-discipline. Play safely and follow the rules. No pushing or shoving. Always wait for your turn.